to take a CT, you will double click X-rays and CT, choose your patient's name, click New Visit, and then choose which option we're going to do. And then you'll click 3D for the CT. We do have to swap out the mouthpiece, which is over here. So I'm going to grab this. I'll take this out, put this in. Just like that. So after you position the new bite plate on there, you want to adjust this setting. Panos are always on the bottom at the 2D. With CTs, you want to choose either the lower arch 3D or the upper arch 3D. In this case, we're going to take an upper arch picture of our patient, so we want to use this button or this button to move this whole section up. And I'm going to get it to this level here with this arrow. And once it's level here, then we'll check on the imaging computer and see if we have a green check mark, so we can also place where we want the laser to go on which tooth. After you position the chin rest, you'll come in here to the imaging computer and choose which area you are looking for. In this case, we are going to check the patient's upper cuspid. What you'll do is you'll take this laser, and in this case right here. Now if you are looking on the lower, this will still look the same. This image does not change. So if it's a lower cuspid, it'll still look like this, even though we're on the upper. If you have a high cuspid that you're searching for, you want to move the cursor in further. The further in, the higher it'll look. Once you find, like say I want to move it, maybe I think it's more distal, I'll move the laser here, click the check mark, and that resets the imaging CT. And once I have what I want, then we can go and take the x-ray. She'll put on her wet apron. And I'm going to adjust this to her height first. She's going to bite down on here, her mouth, it's going to bite down there. She's in there. And then she's going to hold on to this kind of angled this way, so her feet are a little bit more forward and she's holding on to this kind of hanging back a little bit. I have a green light here, so we're going to go and check at the computer and see if that's ready to go. Okay, looks good. So we're going to, just like the Pano, we're going to push the button. And this does take maybe about 5 minutes for it to load, so you will just have to wait for this to go away. Once you think about maybe 5 minutes have passed and you feel like the image is loaded, double click on the 3D icon. Another screen will pop up and load. And this is what we are looking for. You can move the image around. In this case, that high cuspid is up here. You can see the impaction, and you should see the entire root. That's what you're looking for.